Hi there! Welcome to Craft with Kathie. Tonight's project is going to be sweet, easy, and using what is becoming a definite favorite of one of my transfers. It is called This Is Us. There's actually 7 different pieces. It says Be Our Guest, Home Sweet Home, This Is Us, Cozy, Home, a little picture or a little image of a house, and then a sweet little dog. And I am making this for someone who very recently purchased a home with a casita. And I thought this sign would be nice for him to put up in the casita for when he has guests staying with him. I just thought it would be ideal. So, without further ado, let's get rolling on this project. I have this lovely little heart-shaped chalkboard framed in wood, and I thought it would be ideal to add Be Our Guest to this chalkboard. And while I was trying to determine the color, I was really partial to Duchess, that light shimmery blue, but I think I'm going to go with Shimmer Melon instead because I want it very warm and welcoming. Well, it appears that I've misplaced my fuzzing cloth, so I'm going to take this transfer and just fuzz it on my jeans. If you don't have a fuzzing cloth, you can use a pair of jeans, a towel, a sweater, whatever deliberately puts a little bit of lint on the back of our adhesive transfer so that it doesn't stick as snugly as it would otherwise. So I'm just fuzzing it on my lap, and now I'm going to apply it to the surface. Oh, please bear with me. I'm still dealing with vertigo, so having a little bit of an issue trying to align this correctly. This simple project is ideal for a newbie to chalk. It doesn't require much: a transfer, a squeegee, a little chalk paste, and the surface. And it comes together so very quickly and makes a nice, welcoming gift for someone. Just sweet and simple to brighten the day. And what a beautiful way to make your guests feel truly welcome. A sweet little sign in the room that they're going to be staying in. I'm sure they'll appreciate it. I'm using the squeegee to apply the chalk paste to the top of the transfer and smooth it over the silkscreen. Now I am using chalk paste, not chalk paint. Totally different animal. Our chalk paste is actually made with chalk. Goes on liquid and will dry to a hard finish. And on many surfaces, such as chalkboard, dry erase board, mirror, metal, or glass, it's totally erasable. Spritz it with water and remove it with a board eraser or a board scraper or even just a paper towel, and then put a different design on the surface. You could reuse that surface over and over and over again. Tired of the design? Change it up. Super, super easy. Be sure to hit the subscribe button so you'll be notified when I post more DIY and crafting ideas and tips. Leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I'll try my best to reply to as many comments as possible. Time to peel and reveal. I'm going to lift the transfer. You always want to lift from the side or the top or bottom. I'm going to lift it up from the surface. I'm going to hold the surface down while I do this and gently lift it to reveal the design below. And because we've used the silk screen, everything is clear, detailed, and beautiful. What do you think? How quick and easy. Now I do have a little bit of a bleed and a little bit of smudge of paste on the surface. I'll remove the smudge with a wet paper towel, and where my line has a little bleed where I must not have had the transfer down snugly enough, I'll just use the pointy end of my detail tool to scrape the excess paste off once it's dry. And that's all I have to do. And if I had totally ruined this, I could spritz it with water, clean it up, and redo it. Our transfers are reusable 8 to 12 times or more, so you can make a couple different signs using the same transfer. Make it for yourself, make it for a gift. whatever you want to do. So thank you so much for watching. This was a quick 5-minute project. How do you like that? Have a wonderful day. See you soon.